Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Noble Neons water marble. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, I'm going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm starting with Holo Taco's Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that I'll be using for today's marble are from the Starrily Noble Neons collection. The purple is Argon, the blue is Xenon, the green is Crypton, the yellow is Radon, the orange is Neon, and the pink is Helium. For my base, I'm going to be using a white polish. I chose Holo Taco, not Milky White. And after I have that applied, I'm going to be protecting around my nails using liquid latex as well as tape. As usual for a water marble, I'm starting with a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. I finished the bullseye with 2 drops of yellow just to make sure that that color doesn't get lost in the finished design. Now I'm going to make sure that it's stretched all the way to the edge of the cup before starting to draw in my design. I'm going to go from one side to the other, dipping out just a bit of the extra yellow so that it's not too thick in the very center. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw in some petals from one side to the other. Once the petals are in, I'm going to draw on a swirl, and then I'm going to be dipping my nails. For this cup, I'm going to be dipping my thumb and my pinky finger together. So I'm just going to look for an area where I can kind of place them near each other, but I'm going for more of the ripple design than I am for exactly the center of the swirl. So I'm going to line my nails up, and then I'm going to dip in. I'm going to clean out any excess with an orange stick. It's always a little bit of a tight squeeze when dipping multiple fingers, but you don't want that to stick on top of your design and ruin the intended portion. And once the surface is cleared, I'm going to slowly pull my nails out, and there's the water marble. I'm going to do another cup, and in the next one I'm going to be dipping my 3 middle nails together after I remove the protection. Once I'm done with all the nails, I'm going to use a Q-tip for any larger areas of cleanup, as well as under my nails. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in closer with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once cleanup is complete, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm pretty pleased with how this water marble turned out, although it was not without its struggles. If you'd like to see those struggles, the extended tutorial is up over on my VOD channel, or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can join me over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. Or if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can become a member of the channel for some cool perks like emoji. Even though these are using the same colors, we have some very different designs on these hands, and I'm kind of curious which is your favorite. Let me know down in the comments whether you prefer the left hand or the right hand. And either way, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.